Tracking a late week winter storm that's going to bring not only some rain but also some snow, but those aren't going to be the biggest impacts out of the storm. Wind and wind chill, very cold temperatures and gusty wind moving our way just in time to head on into your Christmas weekend. Now let's go ahead and roll through tonight. We do have one disturbance to go through before that big storm moves in. There will be quite a few clouds around, temperatures slipping just below freezing into the first part of your Thursday. And with those temperatures holding close to that freezing mark, some light precipitation will start building in out of the south with this eastern disturbance. And with that, there's a small chance we get into a light area of some freezing rain or some snowflakes on the edge of these showers building in, especially north of Youngstown into the morning. But as the day goes on, temperatures continue to warm up for us, and it's just some spotty to scattered rain showers expected through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Now later Thursday night, I do expect the rain to return, this time ahead of the next bigger storm system that will push our way. And as we get past midnight into early Friday morning, that's when the big change takes place as that Arctic cold front comes blasting on through here. And let's talk about that front, because we are going to take temperatures that are in the upper 30s and quickly drop them 20 to 25 degrees into the start of your Friday morning. A flash freeze a possibility. That is, we get everything wet with those rain showers around and then rapidly freeze it. And then on top of that, we throw a quick burst of snow with this front as well into the start of your Friday morning. Now, I don't expect a lot of snow, but enough to slicken things up here early Friday. At the same time, the temperature keeps dropping as the wind picks up through the day. Now, the biggest risk of snow will be early Friday morning as we go into the afternoon. Just some blowing snow around. Look at these temperatures late in the day, dropping well into the single digits and staying cold on into your Friday night. Now, talking snow into Friday morning, this will be the biggest burst of snow with this entire storm system. Again, snow is not the biggest part or the biggest worry with this system as it moves on through Friday into Saturday. As far as accumulation goes, anywhere from 1 possibly up to 3 inches with that cold front. That's something we're going to be watching into Friday morning, and it should taper off pretty quickly as some drier air pushes in with the gusty wind and colder temperatures. We will get a return to some of those snow showers and flurries Friday night and Saturday, and slowly start to add up those totals into the weekend, but still not expecting a lot. A lot of it will be blowing sideways, that's for sure. Look at these winds jumping up into the 30 to 40 mile per hour range Friday morning. Through the day Friday, I do expect wind gusts in the 40s, peaking into the 50s, especially late Friday afternoon into Friday evening. That's when I expect the strongest winds out of this storm system. So very gusty wind into your Friday night, and that will continue through the start of your Christmas Eve day. Now, I do expect gusty wind to continue on Saturday for Christmas Eve day, but they slowly start to settle down into the afternoon, and not quite as strong as what we'll experience Friday evening into Friday night. Now, we combine the wind and the very cold temperatures, and we get dangerous cold wind chills showing up. That starts into early Friday morning, but through the day, we'll take those wind chills and pull them on down into that negative 20 to negative 25 zone into Friday evening and Friday night, and wind chills as cold as 20 to 25 below possible into the start of Saturday. So that is dangerous wind chills if you have to spend any time outside Friday night or Saturday. Of course, you want to check on those pets or any outdoor animals to make sure they have the cover that they need or the supplies they need to make it through this cold weather into the weekend, because it will stick around right on through your Christmas Eve, and cold temperatures actually hanging around into early next week. 29 tonight, mostly cloudy. As we go into your Thursday, a light wintry mix and then some rain showers. It'll be breezy tomorrow, but nothing compared to what's moving our way on into Friday as that storm pushes on through. So a very cold start to your Christmas weekend. Still the chance of some snow showers and flurries on Saturday, and we could get some light accumulations, not expecting a lot, and most of that will be blowing as a very dry snow pushes on through with the cold temperatures. Isolated snow shower or flurry possible for Christmas on Sunday, highs in the low to mid-teens, and then slowly warming up next week with better weather on into next Wednesday.